All right, boys and girls. So yesterday, before we start, let's put our name at the top of our paper.
Don't forget Mrs. Stewart.
I know, I always forget.
She always forgets.
I just get so excited about doing the work. Now, on this one, yesterday, we were counting the dots and then writing the number. But today, we're going to do the opposite. We need to count. We need to look at the number.
And then write the number.
Yep. So
and then write the dots on it.
The first one has 14. So how many 10s are we going to fill in? 1 10. And then we're going to have 4 in the second box. So
our first part is the 10. And then our second part is how many we have to draw on the bottom.
So we have 1 full 10, and then we have 4 extras.
Yep.
And we can see that by looking here. 1 10 and 4 extras. So let's look at the next set of 10 frames. We have 2 full 10 frames with 0 left over. So Allie's going to draw the dots for 2 full 10 frames.
Bro. Okay, so there's 10 in our first frame. There's 10 because that's 1 and 2 full 10s. So please draw 2 full 10 frames. And I'll give you a minute to hurry and draw it then. Okay, boys and girls, did you do it? Good job.
So if we look at the next number is 11. It has 1 full 10 and 1 left over. So we put dots on the top 10 frame to fill it all in, and then we just have 1 extra.
And guys, you might be wondering why there's the same misprint right here and right here. But that's just how it was printed. But it misprinted, so don't worry about that. Don't ask my sister because she's right here.
The next one is 18, so we have 1 10 and 8 ones. So we're going to put all the dots in the top 10 frame because that equals 10, and then we have to do 8 on the bottom 10 frame. And I know that when I look at a 10 frame and there's 2 spots missing, that means 8. So we have 1 full 10 and then 8 left over. Okay, now we're looking at 15. So we have 1 10 and 5 ones. So we have to fill in the full 10 frame, and then we'll have 5 left over.
And I'm going to help with the next one. I just have first one.
Okay, do the last one.
Okay.
What number is that?
We already know that there's 110, so hurry and fill up all of this frame. Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to give you a minute to finish that. Okay, did you do it all with me? Okay, now, since we did 110, there's 2 extras, so we're going to draw 1, 2. Thank you. And also do a smiley face, a heart, a star, or whatever makes you feel right that you did it. Thank you, boys and girls.